look at you all night. Toes in the sand, eyes shining in the moonlight. It might be the first time we're all alone and it feels right. Now I got you moving.
Hello everyone, we are here in Mumbai for a 3-day trip. It's actually our first trip ever with the baby, so I'm really excited. We are staying in Colaba, so we are out to explore this beautiful area. Of course, we had to start at the historic Gateway of India, opposite of which is the Taj Mahal Palace Hotel. I totally recommend getting your photo clicked here. It's such a beautiful way to freeze this memory.
I could be a fire. Let me warm your skin. Make you my own. If you let me in. Baby, let's take a...
We are at the Leopold Cafe in Colaba, which was a site of gunfire during the 2008 Mumbai terrorist attack. Riding a Kali Pili taxi is a must-do if you are visiting Mumbai. Next in the list of typical tourist spots in Mumbai is Marine Drive. We had a fun, blissful family time here. Day 2 started on a great note with yummy breakfast from Mac Street Cafe. It's an all-day dining spot to sit, relax and enjoy yummy food.
Welcome to the real world where you finally are waking. When you start to see the future and the chances you're not taking. You say one day I'll be president.
After breakfast, it is time for shopping at the iconic street shopping market, the Colaba Causeway. It wasn't crowded, so we enjoyed walking around, shopping little things for friends and family. In the afternoon, we set out to explore the art scene in Khoda. If you are into art, you will love walking around this pavement where various artists display their artwork. I was in search for a traditional Irani bakery and it ended here in Yazdani Bakery, which opened in 1953. After exploring Khoda area, we came to see the famous Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. In day 3, we roamed around in Phoenix Market City, the biggest mall in Mumbai. We spent the whole day here shopping since we had a late flight and didn't want to tire out the baby. Hope you enjoyed our Mumbai vlog. Do subscribe to watch more such content. Bye.